A water heater that was sent back to us saying that it was not working. We're gonna connect it up and check it and see if it is working or not. First thing we do is connect it to the power. We have a setup so we can check this quickly and not have to spend hours reconnecting it. Next thing, we connect the water lines. We connect it to water now so we can run it. This is the outgoing water. Now it's kicking on the water pressure. You can see water's coming out. Alright, now we're going to connect the power. So we have it connected to a plug. This is not the way it should be done at home. It should be hardwired at home, only for our testing facility. I'm switching.
Alright, so it was showing Celsius. We've now changed to show Fahrenheit. As you can see, it's reading 140 Fahrenheit, which is the same as 60 degrees Celsius. So now Ralphie's going to take his thermometer with the probe, and we're going to check to see if it's actually reading properly 60 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius. Alright, Ralphie. Let's see what it say. As you can see, it's reading about 65 degrees Celsius. That's about 145, maybe 150 degrees Fahrenheit. So there we go. We've now confirmed that this heater is properly functioning and was not in fact defective.